In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not showing problem on any Vivo phone. First, open the Settings app on your smartphone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then select See All Apps. Now scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, tap on Permissions. Make sure the Camera app has permission to use both the camera and the microphone. If they are disabled, turn them on. After that, go back and tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Storage and confirm by pressing Delete. This will reset the app and may fix the issue. Once you're done, open the Camera app again and check if it's working. That's it. This is how you fix the camera not showing problem on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.